स्टूडेंट्स अभी हमें देखमा एक्सरसाइज 9a रो क्वेश्चन जेटा कि हमर इंटीग्रेशन रे क्वेश्चन माने सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डाला इंटीग्रेट 2 dx सो our first question is integration of 2 dx so our formula is integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus k and our formula integration of lambda into f of x dx is equal to lambda into f of x dx means lambda टा हमर integration रो बाहर के पले आसो so मैं इधर कही पारे this is 2 into integration of dx or integration of 1 dx and integration of 1 dx रो integration के दे x plus k ठीक है जी so this is equal to 2 into x plus k डाला हमारा integration of 2 dx मुझे आला next question second one integration of 3x square dx so 3 टा के बाहर क्या नहीं करना so 3 into integration of x square dx and this is equal to 3 into यार x square derivative यार n is equal to 2 x square derivative कितना है so this is x into 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus k ठीक है so this is equal to 3 into x to the power 3 by 3 plus k so 3 cancel out so this is x cube plus k so 3x square derivative is x cube plus k as x cube plus k रो derivative कितना है 3x square ठीक है next question integration of 4x cube रो integration ये पहला क्वेश्चन कर दो ना integration of 4x cube dx so 4 टा कांस्टेंट है बाहर के पले आसना x cube dx रो डेरिवेटिव का यार n जगह 3 पड़ेगा so 4 into x to the power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus k so this is 3 plus 1 4 cancel out होगा so x to the power 4 plus k so এটা হলো আমার 4x cube रो डेरिवेटिव ये 4x cube रो इंटीग्रेशन Similarly, x to the power 5 रो इंटीग्रेशन निकालना so IV number integration of x to the power 5 dx हमरो एक फार्मूला थला x to the power n रो इंटीग्रेशन केते x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus k so x to the power 5 रो डेरिवेटिव यार n is equal to केते 5 टा है n so x to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus k so this is equal to x to the power 6 by 6 plus k ठीक है जी next question x to the power 31 dx v number x to the power 31 dx रा integration this is equal to x to the power 31 plus 1 by 31 plus 1 plus k n is equal to कितने 31 so x to the power 31 plus 1 by 31 plus 1 that is x to the power 32 by 32 plus k similarly next one number vi so this is integration of 2 root x plus 3 by root x dx 2 root x plus 3 by root x plus dx so I'm first formula is algebra of f of x plus g of x dx is equal to integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of x dx हम दिला के सेपरेट करी पर दो इंटीग्रेशन के सो हमें काहे कर देना so this is equal to integration of 2 root x dx plus integration of 3 by root x dx दो ही इंटीग्रेशन के हमें डिवाइड कर देना डिवाइड करला पर काना करना कांस्टेंट टर्म के बाहर क्या नहीं पड़ना सो कांस्टेंट के जगह 2 सो दिस 2 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ रूट x dx प्लस ये अगर 3 बाहर के पले आसला सो दिस 1 by रूट x dx ठीक है सो एबे रूट x रा वैल्यू केते रूट x के हम काना लिखि परमा x to the power हाफ लिखि हवा तो मैं लिखे पर 2 into integration of x to the power half dx plus 3 into 1 by root x ର value x to the power minus half x to the power minus half dx. so ଏବେ এই জায়গাରେ n ଟା ହେଲା half এই জায়গাରେ n ଟା ହେଲା n ଟା ହେଲା minus half. फॉर्मूला पुट कर दवा आंसर पाइए. so this is equal to 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. ठीक है जी. प्लस सिमिलरली हियर 3 into x to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus constant k के सभी जगह मल्टीप्लाई होगा. so 1 by 2 plus 1 half plus 1 टा के 3 by 2. so this is 2 into x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus here 3 into minus half plus 1 x to the power half. So this is x to the power half by half plus k. And now this is equal to 2 टा ऊपर के पहले अलग 4 है. so 4 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 टा ऊपर के पहले 6 x to the power half plus k. so this is integration of this 2 root x plus 3 root x 3 by root x dx ର integration ହେଲା 4 by 3 into x to the power 3 by 2 plus 6 into x to the power half plus k. ये फॉर्मूला रे हम सब आउछ. ठीक है. हमको ये फॉर्मूला मन रखवार अछि आ स्टार्टिंग रु हमको सब क्वेश्चन के डायरेक्ट नहीं करी कि टिके कैलकुलेशन करे की कर देला भल कहते कि आके गले हमको से जिनिसटा आपे आपे हमर आंसर पले आसी से जगह हम डायरेक्ट करी पारमो. किंतु स्टार्टिंग रो जदी कंफ्यूज हेगा ना जगह जदी हम x टू द पावर हाफ रो ही डेरिवेटिव इंटीग्रेशन दा कंफ्यूज हेगा नहीं तो आके कंफ्यूज हेगा. यदि इस जगह रे x टू द पावर हाफ रो इंटीग्रेशन काना किते x टू द पावर 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 लेकिन मोर मन रही गेला एटा कि जदी हम थरे प्रोसेस रे कर देने ई फार्मूला पर भी थरे प्रोसेस रे कर देले नेक्स्ट टाइम से फार्मूला टा मोर आपे आपे मन रही जीवो. सो नेक्स्ट नंबर करना. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन असला 1 by x into root x. x into root x means x to the power 1 into x to the power half. That is x to the power 3 by d 1 by x root x. Right, integration. This is equal to 1 by 1 into x to the power 3 by 2 dx. এটা হলো to the power 1 এটা হলো to the power half. Multiply कर देले केते होगा x to the power 3 by 2 हो जाएगा कि नहीं. And this is equal to integration of x to the power minus 3 by 2 dx. ठीक है. And x to the power minus 3 by 2 means इस जगह रे n टा कितनी होला इस जगह रे minus 3 by 2. So integration के लगे देवा minus that is x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus k. minus 3 by 2 plus 1 टा कितने minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus half. So this is x to the power minus 3 by minus half by minus half plus k. And this is equal to minus 2 x to the power minus half plus k. Then we will minus 2 by root x plus k. It is our integration of 1 by x root x. Next question. X to the power 4 by 7 plus 1 by x to the power 1 by 3. So V triple I integration of x to the power 4 by 7 plus 1 by x to the power 1 by 3 dx. And this is equal to divide कर दूँगा अलग अलग फर्स्ट भाग कर दूँगा. So integration of x to the power 4 by 7 dx plus integration of 1 by x to the power 1 by 3 का लिखी पर में x to the power minus 1 by 3 dx. ଏବେ এই জায়গায় n টা হলা 4 by 7 এই জায়গায় n টা হলা minus 1 by 3. So formula put करना. So this is x to the power 4 by 7 plus 1 by 4 by 7 plus 1 plus x to the power minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by minus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus k. 4 by 7 plus 1 7 टा ऊपर गेला 7 plus 4 11 by 7. So x to the power 11 by 7 by 11 by 7 plus minus 1 by 3 plus 1 2/3, so x to the power 2/3 by 2/3 plus k. So ये जगह 7 टा ऊपर के बोला 3 टा ऊपर के बोला हमें आंसर टा पाई. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बना रखना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टा है इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 4 by x dx. IV integration of 4 by x dx. So 4 constant है बाहर के प्लस में. So 4 of integration of 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx रा इंटीग्रेशन क्या थे? log x. So this is equal to 4 log x plus t. ठीक है जी. Next question. This is ix. Number x. Integration of 3 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 12 dx. इंटीग्रेशन क्या मैं डिवाइड कर दूँगा. डिवाइड कर देला कैसा ये भाग कर दूँगा. सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 3 by x square dx plus integration of 1 by x to the power 12 dx. And this is equal to 3 टा बाहर के प्लस ला इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by x square निकालने के बाद x to the power -2 dx plus here this is integration of x to the power -12 dx. इस जगह n टा है -2 इस जगह n टा है -12. So this is equal to 3 into x to the power 2 -2 plus 1 by -2 plus 1. Similarly here x to the power -12 plus 1 by -12 plus 1 plus k. And here this is equal to -2 plus 1 -1. So this is -1 into 3 -3 x to the power -1 plus x to the power -11 by -11 plus k. So this is the integration of this 3 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 12. And next question, x square plus root x ro whole square ro dx ro integration. Integration of xi 11 number integration of x square plus root x ro whole square. So हमें first square कर दूँगा. So this is integration of x to the power 4 plus x plus 2x square root x dx. Divide कर दूँगा सब के. So this is x to the power 4 dx plus integration of x dx plus integration of 2 टा constant है बाहर के प्लस आसवा. So 2 आसेगा then x square into root x. x square into root x dx. x square into root x कहते x square into x to the power half, that is x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2, that is x to the power 5 by 2. So x square root x के मैं क्या करेगा ना x to the power 5 by 2 लिख दे पर मैं ये भी इंटीग्रेशन स्टार्ट कर दूँगा. So x to the power 4 का इंटीग्रेशन सही फॉर्मूला है x to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus x का डेरिवेटिव इंटीग्रेशन x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 2 into x to the power 5 by 2 रो इंटीग्रेशन x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus a. So this is x to the power 5 by 5 plus x to the power 2 by 2 plus 2 into x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1, that is 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus k. 2 टा ऊपर के प्लस में 4 है ये. So इटा नाम इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x square plus root x रो whole square d. हमें ये कहाँ हो जाए x4 रो इंटीग्रेशन करवाते ले. आंसर टा कितना x to the power 5 by 5. x to the power 5 रो इंटीग्रेशन x to the power 6 by 6 में गुटे बढ़ी हुई टर्म टे 4 थिले 5 तले भी सही जिनिसटा बाय पाई n थिले x to the power n थिले कहाँ हो जाए x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 means n जल्दी थिले 4 थिले 5 है 5 थिले 6 है 6 थिले 7 है 7 x to the power 7 by 7 बुझिए ना. तो सिमिलरली हमें नेक्स्ट इंटीग्रेशन मैंने करना. So integration of x plus 3 into 2 minus x plus 3 into 2 minus x dx. Integration of this. So first multiply कर देना x into 2 2x plus 6 minus x square minus 3x dx, and this is equal to integration of 6 minus x square 2x minus 3x minus x dx. એટલે કાણે કરમા સૌ ટર્મ કે અલગા કર દોમાં, so this is equal to integration of 6 dx minus integration of x square dx minus integration of x dx. So 6 टा कांस्टेंट है, 1 dx का इंटीग्रेशन कितने x, so this is x minus x square integration x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is x to the power 3 by 3 minus x integration x square by 2 plus 3. ठीक है, कोई जगह x square कहाँ करें, x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 means 2 3 3 है 3 by. Similarly next question करवाना x triple I, that is integration of root x plus 2 the whole square by x to the power 4 dx. फर्स्ट तो क्या मैं एक्सपेंड कर दूंगा, एक्सपेंड कर देला पर कहते हैं हमारा root x, that is x plus 2, that is 4 plus 4 root x by x to the power 4 dx. सबूतरे डिवाइड कर दूंगा हमें, so this is equal to integration of x by x to the power 4 dx plus integration of 4 by x to the power 4 plus integration of 4 root x by x to the power 4 dx. Now this is x to the power minus 3 dx, गोटे कटी जीवा, so x to 1 by x to the power 3, that is x to the power minus 3 plus 4 टा कांस्टेंट है बाहर के पहले and 1 by x to the power 4 here so dx, 1 by x to the power 4 x to the power minus 4 dx plus 4 टा कांस्टेंट है बाहर के पहले root x by x to the power 4, root x, that is x to the power half by x to the power 4, and this is equal to x to the power half into x to the power minus 4, x to the power half minus 4, x to the power 1 minus 8 by 2, x to the power minus 7 by 2, so this is x to the power minus 7 by 2 dx. इस 4 रो हाफ कटेगा, ठीक है, सो कहते हैं minus 7 by 2. Now integrate this x to the power minus 3 रो इंटीग्रेशन, x to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus 4 into x to the power minus 4, that is x to the power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 plus 4 into minus 7 by 2, integration of minus 7 by 2, x to the power minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by minus 7 by 2 plus 1 plus k constant k, and this is equal to x to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus 4 by minus 3, that is minus 3 x to the power minus 3 plus 4 into x to the power minus 7 by 2 plus 1, that is minus 5 by 2 by minus 5 by 2 plus k. अभी दुईटा के ऊपर के नहीं जमा, so this is 8 by 5, तो minus 8 by 5 x to the power minus 5 by 2 है, so it has number integration of root x plus 2 the whole square by x to the power 4 dx. Now last number xiv, that is x root x xiv integration of x plus root x into 2x plus 1 by x square dx. ठीक है, फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर दो x into 2x, 2x square plus x into 1 x plus 2x into root x, 2x root x plus root x by x square dx. तो ये सब के अलगा कर दो ना, so this is equal to 2x square by x square, that is integration of 2 और लिखिए तो 2x square by x square dx plus integration of x by x square dx plus integration of 2 into 2 टा बाहर के बोले असला ये अगर 2 टा के बाहर के आने को integration of 2 into x root x by x square plus integration of dx plus integration of root x by x square dx. So x square cancel out होगा रहला कितने 1 dx. So 2 into integration of 1 dx का integration कितने x plus x by x 1 by x का integration log x plus 2 into देखते हैं जी बात root x cancel out होगा root x by x that is 1 by root x that is x to the power minus half plus integration of root x by x to the power minus 3 by 2 dx. So बाकी दूसरा टर्म इंटीग्रेशन कर दो. So this is equal to 2x plus log x plus 2 into x to the power minus half that is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus k. Okay, so it is like a half. So 2x plus log x plus 2 into root x or x to the power half by half plus x to the power minus half by minus half plus k. If this जगह दुईटा ऊपर के पला लग 4 है and this is दुईटा ऊपर के लगे ला minus 2 है. And so 2x plus log x plus 4x to the power half plus or minus 2 x to the power minus half plus k. It is our answer of xiv. So it is our simple integration of some algebraic function. Next time in integration of trigonometric function. And next number 2. Okay? Thank you.